Shalom, this is the corn we have gathered. So much left still. Can't even grab it all. Enough green beans too.
Harvest.
Harvest is plenty and the reapers are few.
Yeah, this bag isn't gonna do it all.
This bag isn't gonna hold it all.
Okay.
Blessed be the Most High for the grains of the earth, the corn, and His word is the true corn that we all need, because there is a famine in the land for the truth. Let the truth be known. Like the good seeds of the corn, when they're sown, they'll be reaped in proper bounty. Baruch Hashem.